I put it on my fingers to see if it flies.
Yeah, you can.
So, who found the bird, Annika?
My mummy.
It was next to the road. Just sitting there as it sits now. Quietly. Possible, yeah. Look, it feels comfortable like that actually. It feels like warm skin, it likes that.
Oh.
Yeah.
On your clothes, yeah.
Mummy, she did a poo on me.
Where are we going to take it?
Okay, look here. Come, Annika. You coming?
So we've made the bird a little nest.
Annika. We need to get. It needs rest. We have no room in the.
I love it so much.
Yeah, but you know your kitten is going.
We better go, Annika. Come on, we'll leave the bird here.
That's end of story. She's got lovely spots here.
No, it'll be dead by then.
I don't think so.
It'll be dead by then.
Well, okay, let's go to the house and then you can bring some food down. What about that? Yeah?
You go down. You go up. You go up there and come down. I will stay here with it. Daddy, you go up there and feed, and you get the food. But someone has to get the food.
It's been about 3 hours since we left the bird here.
It's not there anymore.
It's been raining.
It's not there anymore.
Enough strength to hop about. Oh,
You found the bird, Annika.
We're gonna have to take it home now, Phil. Look, it's wet. It needs to have a dry spot. We need to take it home, okay?
What are you going to call it, Annika?
His name? Papa.
Well, the city is.
What's the bird's name, Annika?
Lapqua.
So we're going to take the bird home.